condensed glue gel, you might feel a little bit thick density, which is great, which is normal. And I just need just a little bit. Just a little bit right here. And then just a little bit on the right on the eyelashes. Right here. Should I put it right here? Maybe I can put it right here. I'd like to dress her up though. She had to have a nice crown on it. Thank you. I'm like, didn't even think of what it's called, but you are right. It's her crown. That's why it's so fancy. I'm gonna using my crystal pickers. But I love that since we changing the new vision of it, it had the dot tool. And I love this to go to little edges of it if I don't need my bigger twin tip brush. So, okay, so I'm gonna do is no wipe top coat. So then that way when you're done, all the crystal gonna be completely clear. I'm so excited. So should I do the crystal or should I do a beads on for her? I can do a smaller crystal and then a beads as well. Oh, make sure you close your condensed glue gel. You don't want them to be here completely. It's number 4. Can I get another? Right there. Just right there. You see, I'm gonna put her. Oh, I like her. So beautiful. She got a little bling bling on. No. Bling. Manicure, yes. She gotta have lots of bling. Look at that, it's just 2 bling. Look at that, her eyelashes. She gotta get the eyelashes, or else we would not take her out with us. She's so fancy. You can do 3 or 4s on her lashes. It's really up to you how you want to dress your unicorn is. I'm in the mood of unicorn, so I'm gonna dress it. I can have a little cute Nancy corn at home. She's so cute. Next live video when you're tuning in, I will share with you how you can do your unicorns crease, like the horns on the nails, how you're using the e-file to get that down. So it's gonna be really excited. So stay tuned with me in the next live video, which is I'm gonna wipe this off. Look, you're so fancy though. I still feel like I took my unicorn away though. Do you think so? Looks so cute. But hey, here's an option. I didn't put with this one. So here's a unicorn and here's a bling out unicorns. This is too fancy. This is too bougie. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. So you get your own choices. You're doing a simple unicorn or you can do a bling unicorn. So you pick your own. Alright, pop in the lamp, everyone. I want to go do unicorn. Yes, do it. Dynamax, you can do it. It's gonna be so beautiful and simple. I know you can do it so well. So I just want to show you ones with no crystals and the other is with a lot of crystals. So you pick your own unicorns. Either one you go with this, I think is gonna be so good. Let me go into this cute nails. We are going to do some 3D. Are you ready to see some 3D flowers? Again, I'm gonna using a dual 3D brush.